Do you often use your phone in landscape mode, like when watching videos or playing games? Have you ever tried opening the Edge panel but it doesn't appear the way you expect? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, there is a small feature that allows the Edge panel to work in landscape mode. This makes it easier to access your apps even when you hold the phone horizontally. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next, tap Display. Then scroll down and tap Edge Panels. Make sure the Edge Panel feature is already turned on. Inside the Edge Panel setting, look for the option called Show in Landscape Mode. Now, simply turn on the switch next to this option. Once this enabled, try holding your phone in landscape orientation. As you can see, the Edge panel appear on the edge of the screen. Swipe inward to access the Apps panel. One important thing to know is that only the Apps panel will appear in landscape mode. Other panels may not be available in this orientation. This feature is useful when you are watching videos, playing games, or using apps in full screen landscape mode, because you can quickly open your favorite apps without rotating the phone back to portrait. And that's how you enable Edge panel in landscape mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.